Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the exact images you want to use and confirming they meet size or format limits. Once done, open the target document and verify you have editor access. If not, request it now. Make a quick choice. Insert images inline to keep them with text or attach separately if large. You're avoiding delays by handling permissions first. That way you can paste and position immediately, rather than stopping to ask for rights later. You place the photo using Insert then Image or just drag and drop from your folder. Either method is fine. After the photo appears, set text wrapping. Inline if it must flow with a sentence or / break text for magazine look. Make sure to resize with corner handles to keep aspect ratio and add a short alt description for accessibility. As you work, preview the page layout so captions and images don't overlap, and adjust spacing with margins or line breaks. You're ready to share? Click Share, choose specific people or create a link, and pick Editor or Viewer depending on whether they should edit. If files are large, link to cloud-hosted images or compress them. This prevents broken embeds. After sending, ask recipients to open the document on mobile and desktop to confirm images load correctly. If someone reports missing images, make sure links aren't restricted and that image files are still hosted. Reupload or change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.